it's Gypsy Adventures again, and today is the first day of October 2019. We are at Red Mountain Pass, and I'm with Gigi. She's right there taking pictures. I don't know what creek is this, but I think this is Red Mountain Creek. And we just stop and take pictures. It's just us, no hubby, no papa. So we can stop wherever we want. It might take us all day to take pictures, but we're taking all the pictures. So it's really pretty here. I mean, the color of the creek is lemonade and rust and iron. So, I mean, a lot of people are stopping. But other than that, I mean, it's a Tuesday morning or afternoon. It's not that busy. So here goes Gigi again. So it's really pretty with fall colors. So alrighty, till our next stop.